Welcome back to Road Warriors, where we don't just review machines, we ride with legends. And today, we've got one of the biggest beasts ever to tear up a field. This is the 2026 John Deere 9RX 640. And yes, it's as much a tank as it is a tractor. Hey folks, I'm your name, and you're watching Road Warriors. If you like diesel, dirt, and dominating the land, hit that like button and subscribe, because this one is going to be a monster ride. Let's start with the first thing you notice: presence. The 9RX 640 doesn't just show up, it arrives. This 4-track giant towers over most machines on the lot and brings with it a stance that screams power and stability. The bold, aggressive John Deere design language is alive and well, but with sharper lines, sleek LED lighting, and a reworked hood that's as functional as it is fierce. Built with high durability materials, this thing is made to last through the roughest seasons and the longest hours. And check out those tracks. These aren't just for looks. With 30-inch wide belt options and an improved undercarriage, the 9RX 640 spreads its weight across more surface area, reducing soil compaction and boosting traction like a champ. It's built to grip, not slip. Pop the hood and you're staring down a beast. 15-liter John Deere PowerTech engine putting out 640 horsepower. And this isn't just brute force. This is smart power. The tractor adjusts dynamically based on load, terrain, and job type, giving you maximum efficiency without sacrificing raw torque. Thanks to the E23 trademark power shift transmission, every shift is smooth and responsive, even under pressure. Whether you're pulling a 60-foot implement or hauling heavy loads up uneven ground, this machine doesn't hesitate. Now let's step inside the cab. If you've never been in one of these, trust me, it's not what you expect. It's quiet. It's roomy. It's got more tech than some modern pickups. You're looking at a 15-inch HD touchscreen, joystick controls, touchscreen climate settings, and Bluetooth connectivity, all wrapped in the plush comfort of an active seat 2 with 65 degrees of swivel. Long hours? No problem. The suspension and ergonomic design make it feel like you're gliding over the field. And it doesn't stop there. The 9RX 640 is absolutely packed with smart features. You've got JD-Link for remote machine monitoring, integrated Starfire GPS for precision guidance, and AutoTrack to keep your passes tight and accurate. Add in Auto Setup, and you can preload all your job settings so the operator just hops in, selects the task, and gets to work. No fuss, no wasted time. For a machine this complex, you'd think maintenance would be a chore, but John Deere made it surprisingly user-friendly. Daily service points are easy to reach, and longer service intervals mean less downtime. Plus, with John Deere Connected Support, dealers can track machine health remotely and alert you before something becomes a problem. So what makes the 9RX 640 stand out in the crowd? It's the only 4-track tractor that balances insane power with ride comfort this good. It's packed with smart farming features built right in, not tacked on. It's rugged and intelligent at the same time. And it's ready for anything you throw at it, from spring tillage to fall harvest and everything in between. Whether you're farming thousands of acres or just appreciate the cutting edge of agricultural tech, the 2026 John Deere 9RX 640 is a machine that sets the standard. It's not just another tractor, it's a statement. Thanks for riding with us on Road Warriors. If you enjoyed this deep dive into green steel, hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more reviews of the machines that move the world. Until next time, keep your tracks clean and your throttle wide.